Dear students, the objective of the Friedman test is to make the comparison between various measures that are repeating over different time intervals. So, I'll be giving you a real life example where we can test the hypothesis of equality of several medians for the repeated samples using the Friedman test. The problem at hand is it was a study conducted by Hall et al. In 1970. They have compared the three methods of determining the serum amylase values in patients with pancreatitis. The results are shown in the table. We are required to test whether these data indicates a difference among the three methods. Now, students, this is the data that is being given to us. If you just see, the methods of determination are being given to us, and it is basically showing us that there are a total of 3 treatments that are to be compared. And if you just look into the specimen, these are called the blocks. So students, हमारे पास B जो है यहाँ पे 9 है, whereas K is 3. So 3 treatments are to be compared and they are being taken under 9 blocks. Now, first of all, we need to construct the pair of hypotheses. So under H0, we have that all the medians are identical for the various type of treatments that we have had. So in this case, students, we have 3 treatments. So we can have the H0 as M1 equals to M2 and that is equal to M3 because 3 treatments are to be compared for equality, whereas the alternative hypothesis is that at least one of the equality is violated. That means the two medians, a pair of medians may not be same. So the level of significance is alpha that is being taken. Under step 3, we have test statistic. So we are going to follow this example using W, where R is the sum of the ranks, B is the blocks, and K stands for the treatments. Now the next step is to calculate the value of W using the given test statistic. So students, the first thing we need to do is to assign the ranks to the observations. So अगर आप students देखिए तो ranks जो assign किए हमने वो block wise किए हैं. Minimum value को हमने 1 assign किया, then उससे next value को 2 and the largest value is being assigned a rank of 3. Similarly for block 2, 1 is being assigned to the second treatment value, then 2 to the first one, and then 3. And so on. If you just focus on to the 7th sample, students, 7th sample may we have the tie. So the both of the observations, they were exactly identical. So अगर आप इसको देखिए, इसको आपने असाइन किया 2 रैंक और इसको आपने असाइन किया 3 रैंक्स. अब इन दोनों को आपने एवरेज आउट किया. तो जब आपने इनको एवरेज आउट किया तो 2 + 3 डिवाइड बाय 2 दैट गिव्स अस 2.5. So this 2.5 average rank is being assigned to both the values which were in tie. Then under block number 8, 1 value is being assigned to the middle treatment, then 2 to the next, and then 3 to the next. Once we are done with the ranking of all the 3 treatments, we are going to sum up the ranks treatment wise. So students, अगर आप first treatment को देखिए तो उसका sum of the ranks आ रहा है 19.5, where rank of the sum ranks for the second one is 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then if you just sum up all these observations under treatment 3, so the sum of the ranks that comes out to be 25.5. Once we have obtained all the ranks, we need to plug them into the formula of W. So W में students देखिए यहाँ पे आएगा आपके पास 12 into summation R J square. तो ये आपने 19.5 को स्केयर किया प्लस R2 को स्केयर किया प्लस R3 स्केयर minus, students, this 3 stands for the treatment you have had. There were 3, and then we have this B square where B stands for the blocks. So there were 9 blocks in total, multiplied by K into K plus 1 whole square, divided by, we have B square into K square minus 1. So upon calculation, we got the value of W as 0.8611. Now, since we have one tie, so we would have to make use of the correction factor. So आपका numerator वही रहा, डिनोमिनेटर में यू गॉट 1944 माइनस आपके ये आ गया ब्लॉक्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय टी क्यूब माइनस टी. सो स्टूडेंट्स आपके पास दो वैल्यूज थी विच वर टाइम. सो 2 क्यूब minus 2, that gives us a value of W as 0.8857. Once we are done with that, we would have to design the critical region. So we'll have to reject H naught if our calculated W value is greater than our W tabulated value. So students, I've shown before you portion of the Kendall's coefficient of concordance table. अब यहाँ पे अगर आप देखिए, आपको सर्च करना था इस वैल्यू को 0.8857 को अंडर W. So for K3 and B9 हमने W को सर्च किया. That was somewhat lying somewhere here because the value is 0.8857. इसके अगेंस्ट अगर आप probability ऑब्जर्व करें तो वो आ रही है 0.000. So that means for K3 and B9 W tabulated is less than 0.001 because it is exactly 0.000. So the conclusion we are going to draw is that our calculated value for W, this is our W calculated value, it is greater than our W tabulated value that we have obtained from the Kendall's coefficient of concordance table. So there is insufficient evidence to accept our null hypothesis. Therefore, we are going to conclude that the three methods, they do not all yield the same results.